Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 8 p.m. and today is 22nd of March 2021. So how are you guys? How was the market today? Did you make money? Today, I think it was a day of Adani companies. Adani Power, Adani Total Green, Adani ATGL, Adani Green Energy, Adani Power, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, every single Adani stock was just on a fire, right? So yeah, fine. I was just holding some Adani shares here. Out here, I'm holding some Adani Green shares, and I'm holding in my IFL. I posted on my Telegram channel that these are the shares that I'm holding. I'm holding Adani Green. So here is these are the stocks I'm still holding in my portfolio. I haven't exited. So Nifty was actually, if you have a look at on the shorter time frame, Nifty had a good bounce. This was a very positive bounce that Nifty had. Let's see if it sustains tomorrow. Just let me have a look at what's happening at the international scenario. So international scenario is not very promising. It's just kind of okay. It's just kind of okay. Nothing very huge or very great is happening. So let's see if the momentum continues. So if momentum tomorrow continues, right? I'm expecting two sectors to contribute those, momentum in if this momentum continues. I'm expecting two sectors to, or maybe three sectors, majorly to contribute. The first sector that I'm expecting to contribute for the move tomorrow will be IT, right? IT, whether you look at Infi, you look at TCS, you look into Mindtree, you look into any of the IT sector company, you will find that there was towards the end of the day there was a big momentum that took place in them. Then the second sector that's looking very positive and very promising, and the kind of momentum that's generating, is FMCG sector, right? And but if you ask me, where is my bet going to be? My bet is going to be for tomorrow on metal sector, right? This is how metal sector looked. Like if you, I'm going to show you all the stocks that I have filtered for you today. So this is how the metal sector is. This was in a channel for almost last many days. Today this channel has been broken, right? So from starting from 3rd of March till 19th of March, that means almost 16 days, or you can say 2.5 to 3 trading weeks, the entire metal sector was range bound. Today this range has been broken, right? So I'm finding this as a very promising sign, and I always believe if metal sector is positive, although like I feel if metal and Nifty, bank Nifty, together they are positive, then market will no way go down. But today bank Nifty was down and the metal was up. But I think you can have a reflection of metal sector here, that it could manage to uplift you know the Nifty, right? I would like to conclude that way. I may be wrong, because I'm just telling you about two things, which is about metal and metal sector only. So some of the stocks that I have on my radar on the metal sector. So I'm going to give you by the ranking. The first stock that I have on my radar for tomorrow is SAIL, right? So this is on the last number. I'm going to give you the ranking wise, which is on my topmost ranking. So this is how SAIL looks like, and we have an entry. It has not broken this channel. If you notice, all the other stocks that I'm going to show you have broken the channel in which they were trading, whereas SAIL could actually not break the channel, right? Sale has not broken the channel. So I would like to wait for, because there's this gap, right? This gap is creating a kind of resistance for this particular stock. So I'm going to buy it above 75, right? That's where my entry is going to be. Oh, sorry, in this particular stock, right? So that's my first stock. The second stock on my radar, which is looking very promising, I've already given for a buy, is Jindal Steel, right? Let me add Jindal. I don't think so. I have it over here, Jindal Steel, and that also is looking very good to me. So let me just show you Jindal Steel. This is how Jindal Steel looks. So as I showed you that all the stocks followed the same pattern as their sector was following. So see here, this is how the channel formed. And today this stock has broken the channel, right? So I've already given a buy at 820, 320. This place is where I've given a buy, and it made a high of 324. So I'm hoping that you all are present on my Telegram channel, and you will find all the bang on stocks, accurate entry and exit on my channel. And see here, I have given Page Industry for a buy at 29,400. It gave 500 today itself, right? Let me just show you Page Industries so that you can see what exactly happened in this stock here. So see here, it made a high of 29,938, right? My buy was at 29,400. It gave 500 points straight away today. Yeah. So be present on my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined, please, this is Stock Pro official. You will find about 2,66,000 members out here. And here you can actually find out, good stocks in which you can trade. See, I've already given Jindal Steel. So that's going to be my second stock. The third stock that I have on my radar is VEDL. The reason is simple, that it is respecting this long-term trend line, right? I tried to connect as many points that I could and as many support points that I could. So this is basically respecting the, place, this trend line, and our buying will happen right at this place, right? Our buying will happen at this place, which is 223 or 225, right? Right after 225 we will buy. Our first target is going to be 231, right? If 231 is taken, 232 is taken, then we can expect a good move up till about 240 or 250 can be expected. Then I have JSW Steel. My next stock in the same segment is JSW Steel. The simple reason that the stock, although Nifty was falling down, but this stock was refusing to fall. And yesterday, the kind of candle it made was pretty much indicating that it is no more going to stop. And today, also, it was pretty much positive and above 450, which is a little psychological mark because a lot of option writers must be active at this place. So above 450, I'm expecting a good move in this particular stock. And my topmost bet is going to be on Hindalco, right? This is how Hindalco looks like. Very, very promising, hugely promising. Where are we supposed to buy it? Above 343, right? Once this today's high is broken, we can take an entry. Our stop loss is going to be today's low. And what can we expect? At least target till 361 is what can be expected. Another very good stock in the same segment is with the similar pattern is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel is also looking extremely promising, and we can take an entry above 745 with stop loss of today's candle, and target could be definitely 782, right? If 782 is taken, then we can expect 800, 820, 840, right? And these were my metal stocks. Now I have FMCG sector on my radar. So look at the beautiful breakout Britannia has given today. It is kind of an indication that I'm not going to listen to anything now. These all sellers have been taken out. With open equal to low, the candle just blasted in the upward movement, and that shows the strength of bulls. So Britannia is definitely a buy. Then Hind Unilever, of course, it's been going up for yesterday and today. And after today, I think it's going to head towards 456. That is what is going to be its next destination, right? Then Marico also you can keep on your radar, right? The similar channel kind of a pattern, and today it's broken. So Marico also looks pretty promising to me. On my radar is Dabur as well, right? So Dabur has yet to break its resistance or the barrier. Once the barrier is broken, right, 534, you can expect a really good move up, right? Now, one last stock. Yeah, one last stock which I'm giving you, but I'm going to give you, I'm going to say that this will get the highest weightage, right? Why? Because it is, I'm going to buy it above 861 or 862. My stop loss is going to be 30 points, which is pretty deep, but my target is going to be way higher. my target is going to be at least 920, right? Almost like 60 points, right? Almost 1:2 ratio is what I'm going to apply. And if 920 is cleared, right, it's broken, then I'm expecting 950, right? That's what my final target for M&M going to be. So this I'm going to post on my Twitter account as well. And it looks very, very promising. So I have a very good stock on my radar, and I'm going to make a video, elaborate video upon it tomorrow, but hoping that you all are present on my Twitter handle. So see here, this is Twitter. This is what I tweeted on February 28th. I've given a buy on MCX at 1540, and today it has given, not even 1 month, or exactly 1 month, rather exactly 1 month. And today it has given, 100 points target, right? I have said, buy above 1540 stop loss I had given over here, and the target was 1640. So when I do analysis, I really don't care about stop loss, because once I have checked all the parameters, because a little bit variation may take place, and so once I take an entry, before entry I take care of every single parameter that I need to take. But once I have taken an entry, then I don't worry about it, because I know with market the stock may go up and down a little bit, but once my price is broken and market supports a little bit, I am absolutely sure about having the full target getting hit. So I'm hoping that you are present on my channel and you can have a look at the breakout of the stocks that I've given you. I'm holding ATGL, right? The screenshot that I have shown you. Look at how ATGL has blasted today as well, right? That's the power of, see, this is where I have given an entry, 390, and today it has more than doubled. My money is more than double. So if you are all wanting to learn, and I would say learning is your choice, I'm not going to insist upon that, right? But keep making money along with me, I would insist upon that, right? That please be present on my Telegram, please be present on my Twitter handle. I do very, very refined research, and you will find, such stocks which are going to give beautiful breakouts, right? So all the best, guys, and see you in the next video. I will be making tomorrow morning a very, very strong recommendation for a stock. So hoping that you all make good money and you're present on my Telegram channel and you're making money along with me. All the best, guys. Take care.